If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I can't figure it alright. Can't have me like you. I can't figure it alright. Can't have me like.
Right now, we got Stray Kids 5-star unveiled track 1 DLC. I was trying to find the acronym of DLC, but I couldn't think of it. Downloadable content. Oh, I was thinking about DSLs. Y'all know about DSLs? If you know, you know. Excuse you. We are not farting in the presence. Let's check this out. I'm curious. Oh my god. What the? Oh. Who the hell passes out like that? This I'm talking about right here. This is more comfortable. This is like airplane mode. This is shut down. Oh, they all passed out. Never mind. This looks comfortable. Oh, they're not being updated? Because Stray Kids are just robots?
We're only going to dance like crazy.
Oh. Oh.
It's just that I like it, la la la. Nobody.
Oh, dance like crazy. DLC, right?
Please don't care about me. It's okay. Let's go crazy until the sunrise.
Ooh. Ooh, nice little breakdown. Oh, this is a fun one. Hey, get it? Hey, yo, that's me right there. Not participating. Why? Why that shot? Why that shot? Don't do anything with that tongue. Hey, yo, chill. Hey, he was getting into it. Okay, the breakdown sounds nice, actually. Stray Kids everywhere, all around the world. You make the Stray Kids stay. I struggled. Oh my god, not the jump scare. Oh, FNF? Five Nights at Freddy? Are we Five Nights at Freddy fans? The second one was made for the Australian bushfires. Oh. Oh, that's what it stands for. Flora and fauna. Fauna. Anyways, alright. Track number 2, FNF. Ooh. I already gave him summary vibes. Road trip. Let's go. Okay, Felix. Damn, that I don't know why the beat of like this track kind of reminds me of an old Big Bang song. Not really, but like when they used Felix's voice to this instrumental, sounds like it reminds me of Top. But Felix's voice is so deep, goddamn. Jeez. This seems a lot more lighthearted, or at least like it sounds like it. This one is called Get Lit. I like his long hair, man. He got them big ass eyebrows, bro. I respect it. He always got like he has eye makeup on. Usually he does, right? Anyways, let's get it in 3, 2, 1. This look classy. Look luxurious. Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Ooh, nice little thing. He stepped on himself. That transition from Felix. Interesting. Interesting. Is there... Ooh. Alright, Get Lit. Track number 3. Ooh. What do we think about Get Lit? Get licked? Get lit. I feel like it's a lot. I like the beginning a lot. This part right here is crazy. I like this part. That little, or whatever that is.
Let's go.
Banger right here. We might have a banger right here. All right, and the last one. Well, that's have been revealed so far. It's called Top Line feature. Oh, Tiger JK. Oh, let's go. That's fire. Shout out to Tiger J. Okay. Ooh. Top Line. Ooh. I'm a sucker for horns. I'm a horny guy. That didn't sound right. I like horns. That's what I meant. But like that, when that freaking horn came in. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, he went with the bum diggy diggy dum bum bum bum. Like, really? Ooh, Tiger JK. I know he gonna kill it too. Ooh. This is gonna be fire right here. This is gonna be fire right here. I'm very curious to hear Tiger JK's verse. Real talk. Damn, it's still going? Fire, fire. Okay, what we got here? Well, dang. Well, dang. That's crazy. What? Huh? It's Felix E. Elmo? No, I just now get it. Oh, y'all crazy for that one. Oh, with fire. Oh no, I can see it. I can see it. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.